Hello everyone. In my previous video, class 9, I discussed with you types of unemployment found in rural areas. Today I am here again with the same topic called unemployment. Unemployment, of course, it is a situation, it can be defined like that it is a situation or a state in which people want to work. They want work for their needs, to fulfill their needs, but they are unable to get the work. So when the people are unable and they have no work, and but they want to work, this situation is called unemployment. So unemployment, the nature of unemployment varies or it differs in rural areas as in urban areas. In rural areas, there are mainly two types of unemployment. One is called seasonal unemployment and other one is called disguised unemployment. Because we know that in rural India, almost 70% of the rural population, they do agriculture, or agriculture is the main occupation in those area, and no other activity or other production work is done there. So majority of the people living in rural area, they are engaged in agriculture or farming. But as we know that land has not increased, but the number of people or the dependents or the people living in rural area, their numbers have increased a lot. It means that the pressure on land has increased. So seasonal unemployment occurs there, because we know that agriculture is a seasonal activity and all the crops are not produced in all the seasons. So Kharif crops are grown in Kharif season, Rabi crops are grown in Rabi season, and in between the Kharif and Rabi, Jaid season is there. So some busy months are there on the field, like sowing, harvesting, weeding, threshing. These work in which the laborers are required, and more small farmers or landless laborers, they are engaged in these busy season and they become able to get the work. But in off season, 3 to 4 months, there is no work, and those people who were earning their living from agriculture, they become jobless or unemployed. So this type of unemployment in which the workers remain jobless for 3 to 4 months is called seasonal unemployment. And seasonal unemployment can also be seen in construction sites, because in monsoon what we see that in bigger cities also, the workers, they have no work, or work has stopped because of heavy rain in many parts of India. So all the workers, those who were working or engaged in construction activities, they also face this seasonal unemployment. Now second type of unemployment which is found or which can be seen in rural areas are called disguised or hidden unemployment. What is disguised unemployment? It is a type of unemployment in which more than the required number of workers work. Means every family in the village or in the rural area, they have a plot. But small farmers or poor farmers, they have a smaller plot, and rich farmers have bigger plot. Rich farmers, they do not do the work on their own. They hire laborers. And small farmers, they have no other engagement, no other activity, no other alternative job. So they all work on the same plot. But as we know, or as we have seen, that the plot is very small and it requires 2 people, but 5 people are working. So 3 people are extra. So if 3 extra people are removed and total production remains unchanged, and the 3 people, it means that they had not, or they were not contributing anything to the total production. So they are more. If they are removed or if they are in the work, the production remains unchanged. Means they have not contributed anything in the total production, and they are in the work or they left the work. It doesn't matter. So this type of unemployment where the unemployment remains hidden or it is not visible is called disguised unemployment. So many members, more than the required members, they are just hiding their unemployment. They are just showing that we are working, we are engaged, but actually their contribution is nil, or they are not required in the work. Disguised unemployment is also known as underemployment. What is underemployment? Underemployment is also a same type of situation in which persons are working, but they are not working to their full potential. They can work more hours, or they can earn more, but they are working less and they are earning less. So it can be seen in many types of work. If a person has a shop in the city, or if a person has a plot in the rural area, in both the ways, when we see that there are two members are required to run the shop, or two members are required, two workers are required to produce the crop on the field, but more than 2 or 5 or 6 members from that family, they are working or engaged or earning their living from that plot. It means that the total production, which would have been divided between 2, now it is being divided among many, and so each one is getting less. So everyone has low productivity, or the productivity from land is, that is why it is low, because of hidden unemployment, because of more workers engaged in the work than required. So in this way we have seen that in rural area there are two types of unemployment, seasonal and disguised. Now we are coming to urban area. In urban area the situations are different, because as we know that all the people, almost majority of the people living in cities, they send their child to school, and after completion of their education, when they reach the age when they should start some work, and they have got matriculation, graduation and post graduation degree, and some even with the degree, technical degree, then teachers degree they are having, or they have invested their money to get many types of courses they have done. But if they are sitting jobless and they have no work, then this type of unemployment which occurs among the educated youth of the cities or the area is called educated unemployment. So educated unemployment, we see that it is increasing among more among the graduates and postgraduates. Means the number of unemployment is increasing faster among the graduates and postgraduates. And there is also a situation which we call paradoxical situation. What is paradoxical situation? Ki somewhere it is the jobs are abundant, but the people required for that job, they do not possess that skill or qualifications. And if the people have qualifications or they are fulfilling the criteria, jobs are less. So this happens when some experts or some skilled people or highly skilled is required for particular job, and the people, their numbers, they do not possess that type of degree and they remain jobless. Means the plate is full, but many people are hungry and they are not able to get the food and fulfill their dietary needs. So in my next class, once again I would like to explain this topic called unemployment, why unemployment increases, how it increases economic overload, and why it is said wastage of human resource. Okay, thank you.